A board member of the Commonwealth Retiree Association has effected a federal judgment lien on all real property of the CNMI. The goal is to satisfy a judgment against the government of more than $200 million that was awarded to the retirement fund more than 2 years ago. Several weeks ago, Sapuro Raphand filed a motion to remove the retirement fund case that was pending in CNMI Superior Court to the federal court. On Thursday, Raphand filed the judgment in the Commonwealth Recorder's Office in order to impose the Federal Judgement Lien on CNMI assets in accordance with the federal law.
The $231 million judgment against the CNMI government, which Government rendered June 3rd, 2008. And that judgment was just sitting there in the legislature for some reason, either because they didn't want to or they didn't have the money. But I'd say the latter, that's not the case, because there's plenty of money elsewhere. So in order to show some kind of respect for the court, the CNMI government has to satisfy the satisfaction. And it's been there forever, it's over 2 years, and that's the reason we moved that case to district court.
Raphand says that he filed the documents as an individual, but the CRA board has also authorized his actions. In the next 24 hours, attorney Bruce Jorgensen will take the next steps and file a motion to freeze specific assets of the CNMI in order to satisfy the judgment against the government.
Among those assets, we initially had anticipated asking to freeze $20 million from the $100 million budget that went into effect October 1st. However, since then, we've learned that of the $16 million appropriated during the last budget, only $400,000 of that $16 million reached the fund. So we are now going to modify our request and ask that $36 million be frozen from the general fund.
Jorgensen says that other CNMI assets are also being eyed.
Additionally, we're going to ask that CNMI owned and CNMI controlled shares of CUC be frozen, and we additionally will ask that the 25% increase in funding provided to the CNMI legislature be frozen as well.
Jorgensen notes that only $10 million has been appropriated for the retirement fund contributions for fiscal year 2012, but the government would owe $70 million in employer contributions. Raphand shares the goals of this latest action.
There's been a lot of money taken out of investments, and now the money has gone down so low that within, as most experts expect or predict, within 2-3 years, that money is going to be totally gone. So what do? Wait till it's gone and do something, or shall we get some money now? Since there's no alternative, no possible alternative means to get the money to pay, this I hope will take care of that.